me to present a word. Happy morning to everyone. Today's word of the day is brought to you by Humani from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Word, gather. It means coming together. Friends, please spell after me. Gather. G-A-T-H-E-R. Gather. Thank you. Now Navya will enlighten us current happening with us.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's news is brought to you by Navya from Grade-VIII Cerulean. International news. Donald Trump says that he believes US will get Greenland. National news. Women empowerment highlighted in parade of 76 Republic Day celebrations. Thank you.
I'd like to call Sharon to read state and sport news.
Happy morning to everyone. My name is G. Sharat Kumar. Today, state and sports news. State news. Chief Minister Revant Reddy said that UGC the guidelines to say to change speed lines. Sports news. Virat Kohli calls Sanjay Bangar to training. Thank you.
Staying updated on current events is crucial. Now I would like to call Bansi to ask GK questions.
Happy morning everyone. Today GK question is brought to you by Grade-VIII Cerulean. Question for grade 6. What is 50% of 100? You pick the wrong answer and answer is 50. Question for grade 7. What is 25% of 200? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is 50. Let us appreciate them. What is 1/3 of 150? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is 50. Let us appreciate them. What is 10 more than 2 times of 20? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is 50. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Which number lies between a perfect square and perfect cube? You pick the wrong answer and answer is 26. Question for grade. Open question for all. Second question. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 10? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is 4. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Swati to say speech about parents.
Happy morning to all. My name is T. Swati from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Today I am going to speak about my parents. My parents are my strength. They support me at every stage of life. Parents like a guiding light who take me to right path. My mother is a housewife and she is a strong woman. Parents are greatest gift of God. My parents play a vital role in shaping and molding the behavior of their kids. Thank you. Have a wonderful Monday.
I invite Lokesh to deliver a speech about Srinivas Ramanujan.
Happy morning to everyone. I am T. Lokesh of Grade-VIII Cerulean. Today I am going to speak about Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. He was extraordinary talent in mathematics. He did not receive any formal education. In 1913, British mathematician J.H. Hadley recognized his talent and invited to him Cambridge University. Srinivas Ramanujan's hard work made more incredible contribution to mathematics. He is also known as the man who know infinity. In 2012, our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared that 22nd December has observed National Mathematics Day. Srinivas Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician India had ever seen. Thank you.
Our day with positive and a fresh mindset. Here Harshavardhan is ready to give a thought.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Harshavardhan, Grade-VIII Cerulean. Thought of the day. One positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Once again repeat. One positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for your attention and participation. Have a wonderful day ahead.